Is everybody ready to laugh or what? Oh my god. Baby.
Yeah, so now spin it a little bit.
Okay. Let's get this tire off this bead so we can clean it out. Oh, there we go.
There you go.
Okay. Oh my god, I'm not even strong enough. Oh.
There you go.
Oh yeah. Oh. I got it. Okay. What the?
There you go.
This was supposed to be easier. This is not easier. This is actually harder. Oh, there we go. Well, we're getting all the dirt out of here because we got to reset this, and the tire was flat because someone likes to drive real hard.
Yeah, so when they're driving real hard, what happens?
They got to work real hard.
Yeah.
Feed locks, definitely.
All right, I get it.
If you're getting the new machine or if you're gonna race, feed locks are a must. Unless you want to work hard after every race to clean off, de-bead, clean these, and reset and air up. It's a lot of work, guys. So just go out there and get your System 3s because they have not done me wrong. Oh. Those are the best videos anyways.
Helps if you're on that side of the tire.
All right.
Okay, now just pull it. Yep, there you go. And just let it sit there. A little easier?
Yeah, for me to go like. Okay.
Okay, right down in on that inside bead of that tire. Pick straight up.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
I'm gonna bead blast this baby.
How come you're bead blasting it?
Well, we're gonna. I'm learning, guys. It's all new. Here, ready?
Give her hell.